Good evening is a flower of Siberian iris. Siberian iris is this is a kind of blue purple flower. Siberian iris is very tall also and very thick. They've been blooming a long time here, at least 2 weeks, and I forgot this to take a video on it. And this is all the flower of my Siberian iris. See how beautiful also. Even though they are small, it's still pretty. And a lot of flowers too. Some of them are faded already, the flower. That's Siberian iris, and I have a different color here. This is a more like a pinkish looking in here. That's Siberian iris too. But this one is Caesar's brother, they call it. I don't know, I forgot the other one, but those are Siberian iris. It's even you just look the foliage of Siberian iris is so beautiful. Just just to look of the foliage is thick. It's beautiful iris. Siberian iris, maybe originally from Russia. That's why they call it Siberian iris. And that's the season of blooming of my Siberian iris. It's a season of blooming.